mine.
Oh.
Hi
everybody, my name is. Today I'll be playing MSP with my sister, but she's on an iPod. Oh, I floated. She has a broken arm.
Well, the robot arm. Feel.
Stick it up, stick it up, stick it up, stick it up, stick it up. Look at that.
There's my magical.
Look,
Yeah,
this baby. Please. Okay, I gotta check on my phone. Never mind.
You have 2 friends.
Oh, I have 2 friends online.
No, I don't.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 friends online.
I'm only have.
Polly, no. Wait, what did she say to me? She would be like, "You're mean. I'm not gonna." Instead, no gifts. Oh, never niece. Underneath, I think she meant. Underneath. I want that account. I need accounts. I'll give you a make of money. Okay. Don't be like that. Okay, don't be like that.
I shall throw the food. This is the.
Okay, I don't do like that.
This is my wrapping paper.
You're mean.
What?
Who gave me 19 pieces of paper? Blech.
But then here's my springy arm. I fixed it.
Oh no! I hate when this happens. Okay, something's happening and I don't like it. Okay. Ticks. You said ticks. You have ticks?
What is that?
Ticks. You don't know what ticks are?
No.
I think they call them. Oh wait, what are ticks? I'm gonna check later. I'll tell you later, okay? Kaylin, can you give me that? Kidding.
Give you what?
I need your help.
I'm not giving her my animation. I can give
Everything else
you
like balls you don't like.
a robot. Just kidding. Oh, what? She's making a good outfit. Okay, I just need perfect pants. Perfect skin.
Are you sure about
Thank you for a rubber too.
I shall use my and hatch roll. I'm creating
Okay, I need you guys to say hi to YouTube, and then
I'm here. Here I'm creating a hat. I'll see if it still works. Where's the turn on button? Oh. Me, I got it.
Kaylin, give me it.
The stupid lights! Those stupid lights like always! You stupid lights!
Ow! Look, can you see
Yeah,
it?
I learned that.
Kaylin, I'll tell her. Can you gift me back all my stuff if I gift you stuff? Just kidding. So I need 6 more to
You're
go.
hungry. You've been not eating for days. I shall feed you.
Kaylin, I shall give you autos until you're on the next level.
I'm on level 6.
You need to be on level 7, like me. Just kidding.
I need your help.
Done.
You have to get that light.
Wow. That's a perfect outfit. I need 5 more to go. I think she just want to close, but thank you. Really? Oh. some milk. Just kidding. Can I give her some of your dog strawberry?
Mia, she's angry.
I know so sorry. It sounds like she's having a freaking baby.
Okay.
Sounds like she's having a baby. Since she just started. Like I started before her. Yeah, let's see if she likes this.
What?
I need 4 more gifts to go because I've been losing all my stuff.
My string.
Buy more clothes.
Stringy Mia.
I don't care.
Mia, look.
You chose this. 1, 2, 3 Hatchimals dead skin.
What the heck? Mia, I think it broken.
This is broken. We're like,
Yeah, if it's broken, can I have it?
guess what?
If it's broken, can I have it?
I need to give something.
You gotta give me something. What? I'll give you something. Jeez.
You pick. You pick. I only have 1 gift.
Yeah.
Oh, she's sleeping. I still love those glasses. I gotta recycle some of these things. Oh, but I do. Oh, no, I don't want to give her animation. Okay. This is my back thinking itchy spot. My back ain't thinking itchy spot. This is where I go like this instead of like
May I wanna do that.
Okay, so I gave her that hair. 2 minutes to go.
What? What happened?
She's wanting to give all the stuff that I have.
Report her.
I can't just report her. Are you stupid? I got an email. I'll tell you when.
No.
Are you
you in Spanish? We can't see.
Speak Spanish, ugly lady. Just kidding. Yes, I blocked her. Oh, good. I can keep all my stuff. Hey, can I just scammed her? Just kidding. I just scammed her, Galen. Oh, wait.
Hello. Oh, I gotta do it. Come on. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna buy something.
Hello. Hello. I love you. I love you. I love you. She's still talking back to me.
That girl. That girl.
Oh, that should be her new bed. This is gonna be her new bed.
Okay. I think she's gonna report me. I'm scared she reports me.
He's not. You'll find her. You should report her first.
What is her name again? Princess.
Oh my god!
I shouldn't do that so I shouldn't block her.
I'm trying to give you. That's not okay. No.
Okay, I'll do it for you.
No, I got it.
Are you sure? Ow, ow, ow. Just kidding.
You know you're still recording. It's been
Oh my gosh, I need 5 minutes. I wish I had a lot of time that I can record. Because I take long to record and I do some stuff funny. Can I have iced tea? Yes, ma'am. So, you know the new theme if you never played MSP before? For you.
Shut that.
I'm so shocked. She has never given me the only thing that I loved. Did you know Kaylin, when she was first born, she carried me. Trina. Catch, like, catch. Let me go on the top. Okay.
I don't know.
Wow, you're a good thrower. You're a good thrower. Batman Robin laid an egg. The Batmobile lost the wheat and Joker ran away. Hey, jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin laid an egg. The Batmobile lost the wheat and I ran away. Hey, kid. Dancing in the dark with the only seatbelt on. Just kidding. This is sad. Dancing with the seatbelt on. Here. Thank you. Wow. Bumpy. Oh no, I broke it. Oh no. Get out of here. You're bad luck. Well, how do fingers out of the way? I didn't get bumpy. Take this out. Scared King is married. What have I done to this photo? Don't know, but I should tell her that I'm that girl. Get out of the little toy that I don't like to play with anymore. Oh wow. No. Ow! Serious. Wow, they're cool, right? Oh my god. Ow. Where's the wood in this thing? Single bell. Need me. I like the wood in Whoa. Oh my gosh, I'm just making a wall. Oh my gosh. I'm ending this video right here. Kind of ruined my video.